Hello guys, I just wanted to show you some of the different handsets that I have received. Some are more expensive than the others, but all are supposed to be of good quality, with the exception of this one. This was about $7 to $10. The rest are $20 and above. In this corner here we have DS watchmod club store. So these three are from that store. I wanted an orange hand for a Marine Master, so I got their orange variant, but it has a very weak lume. Anyway, so I just held all of these outside to the sun for a few seconds before bringing them in. Just for good measure, I will now blast them with my UV torch and set my zeros, which will be the comparison measure against which we will be comparing the luminescence of the other handsets. And the zeros. So now let me set this to 12 o'clock and let's see what kind of results we have in 15 minutes. Obviously some are BG, so this is BGW9, so is this and this one, and the rest are C3. So this is almost an hour past, 50 minutes. So based on what I can see, all the ones on the top, well, no, not all. These two have strong lume. This one is BGW9 and has a weaker lume. The C3s have good lume. This is a Heimdallr, also Heimdallr. So all top three with good lume are Heimdallr. Let me see. So even this cheap, the orange hand, has better lume than the ones from DS Watchmod Club store. So these ones, this is almost $40. It's a GMT set, came with a GMT set. Sorry for the horrible zoom. Let me try. Okay. So this is that GMT set, which I used the GMT hand for another watch. Zelos, doing beautifully as always. Okay, so that'll be it. Again, I'll show you now under the light. So all of these are from DS Watchmod Club store, and unfortunately have a weak lume. This is a cheap handset, 62 mass SPB 253 homage handset, and the C3 on this hand has better lume than all of these taken from DS Watchmod Club store. These looms are comparative to this handset, which I bought for like 10 bucks. Issue is that DS Watchmod Club store sells these for $20 and above. They're not cheap. They seem, I haven't put them under the microscope yet. That'll be a next video coming soon. But visually they look awesome. They look very correct, let's say. But in terms of lume, unfortunately their lume is weak. So as expected, the C3 lume was brighter than the BGW9. This is also BGW9 and so is this, but they're not even close to good BGW9 like Zilos, for example. Okay, thank you for watching. Please subscribe.